If mornings feel like a fire drill at your house, this is for you. The missing shoe, the nurse's call, the 90-minute bedtime loop, that is not your failing. That's a nervous system stuck on fast forward. Anxiety isn't a phase, it's a pattern the brain has practiced. The gas, the fight or flight system gets sticky, and the brake, the rest and connect system, barely grabs. Our job is to retrain those circuits so calm becomes easier than panic. At Elite Family Chiropractic, we always pair gentle adjustments with brain laser therapy. Adjustments clean up the body's signal so the prefrontal cortex, the calm coach, can lead again. Brain laser gives tired networks energy and nudges healthier brainwave rhythms for focus and better sleep, and so on. Then we stack tiny daily reps, slow breathing, simple movements, and small exposure steps so the brain remembers that calmer state and uses it when it counts. You want to know more, you want the full plan? Tap the link below to read the newsletter. If your family needs help, we'll listen and map a plan that fits real life.